How to make beef stock, or we call it demi-glace. One of the important item, you can add it to any sauce, any soup, even pasta, make different in the taste. All you need 5 kilo beef bones, and then you clean it well, then you roast it in the oven 200 Celsius for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you take it out, you just painted with tomato sauce, and then you put back to the oven at least 20 minutes. Then you have amazing bones with the flavor. Then we have 2 carrot, 2 leek, 2 onion, and some partially steak. We cut it all, little oil, and we bake it in the oven 200 Celsius about 20 minutes. When we roasted the beef bones with tomato, we bring it to big pan and we added the 5 kilo bones, and then we added 8 liter of water. Then in the same times we roasted the vegetable. And when the vegetable becomes light golden color, we bring it on top of the bones. We boiling all ingredient together, and when start boiling, we added rosemary, thyme, 8 pieces of cloves, black pepper, and some salt. And then when it's boiling, we slow down the fire until very light, and then we clean with the spoon. We take all this foam, which is not good, and we still reducing the sauce until third. It takes about 8 hours. After 8 hours, you can see the flavor, the thickness of the stock. You continue cleaning until you can see this oily fat is not good for taste or even for digestion. About 8 hours later, you can see it becomes third quantity. We strain all the soup or all the beef, and what left over is demi-glace or beef stock, which very good for bones, for liver, for skin. It's make you beauty. We strain all, and you can take the same bones and make it one more time. You just added 8 liter of water. When you keep it in the fridge after 5-6 hours, this light shell is not good. You remove it all, and you have this beautiful